A delegation of Jat leaders are set to meet Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal at his residence at 11 a.m. Full-on political connotations coming in. Remember that Arvind Kejriwal is contesting from the national capital Delhi's New Delhi constituency, from which where he's done earlier as well. That is where against him is Parvesh Verma. Parvesh Verma is the son of former Chief Minister from BJP, Sahib Singh Verma, and comes from the Jat community as well. So BJP has brought in that Jat factor, looking at the percentage or the population of Jats in not only in New Delhi but in the national capital. It looks like now the Jat leaders are set to meet Arvind Kejriwal. Let's listen in to one.
तो ये कहना चाहता हूँ तमाम दिल्ली के और देश के लोगों को कि जिस तरह बेहतर गुजरों को बीजेपी ने यहाँ मारा राजस्थान में, जाट समाज पे गोलियां बरसा के मारा, अन्य समाजों को जिस तरह गोलियों से भुना, उन्हें चुनाव के वक्त की बातें याद रखनी चाहिए। और जाट समाज से तमाम दिल्ली के मतदाताओं से, राजस्थानी बहुत बड़ी तादाद के अंदर, लाखों की संख्या में दिल्ली में राजस्थान के लोग हैं हमारे, हर समाज के अलग अलग संभाग वाइज बने हुए, कहीं मारवाड़ है, कहीं शेखावटी, तो कहीं आपका भरतपुर का अलग जो वहाँ पे इसके ब्रज के नाम से। तो राजस्थान के लाखों वोटर दिल्ली के अंदर, मैं सबसे अपील करूंगा कि देश को बचाने के लिए वहाँ आप पार्टी का समर्थन करें।
Hanuman Beniwal is from the Rashtriya Loktantrik Party, and it would be interesting to see, are some leaders joining the AAP? Are they expressing support to the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi? But it's going to be very interesting. And from where are they coming, if not exactly from national capital Delhi? Now, remember that the Jat factor, if not to a massive margin, for example, like the Purvanchalis, but the Jat community's influences Delhi has been fair enough over the past few years. Devankur Vadhavan is joining me for the latest on that. Devankur, these are political dynamics, these are demographic calculations that are important. Tell us about Hanuman Beniwal. Why would he think that meeting Arvind Kejriwal is important right now?
Well, Pooja, Rashtriya Loktantrik Party President Hanuman Beniwal is one of the tallest Jat leaders of Rajasthan, and he has mentioned to India Today that Arvind Kejriwal called him up and spoke with him and sought support in the run-up to the Delhi Assembly elections. Now, it's a fact that Jats do not have reservation in Delhi. They do have reservation in several states, including in Rajasthan. And the fact that a tall Jat leader has extended his support to the Aam Aadmi Party can mean considerable influence over the Jat population who stays in Delhi, and that is why it is considered important. The fact that the RLP has decided to support Aam Aadmi Party in the upcoming Delhi elections is a considerably significant move, given that the fact that both of them are a part of the INDI alliance, and the Congress is in a face-to-face contest with the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. But the RLP chief has mentioned to India Today that as many as 5 alliance partners of INDI alliance have decided to extend their support to the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi elections, and that is why it is believed that even if there is a considerable influence of the Jat.
For example, Dev, in Najafgarh, Bijwasan, Mehroli, Rithala, Nangloi areas, this is where the Jat influence is there. It's still a dominant force. So it could be interesting if the support of the Jat leaders could work and improve situation for AAP.